Good evening, class. Good evening. Today is March 26th, and today I'll be talking about our project, our three-stage project. Stage 1 was the buffer, Stage 2 was the mixer, and Stage 3 was the voltage amplifier with a gain of 20. All right, everybody, excuse the mess, but this is Stage 1, 2, and 3 combined. All right, to the right we have Stage 1, which is the voltage buffer. We have the two input signals, and then it leads over to the first IC chip, which is the voltage buffer IC chip. We have the two resistors on each side of the chip because it's two chips in one. From the voltage buffer of the two signals, it goes into Stage 2, which is mixing the two input signals together to go to Stage 3. In Stage 3, we have TL08IC chip as well, used as well for the voltage buffer. This chip for Stage 2 will mix the signals and output it to Stage 3. And Stage 3 is the voltage gain and amplification. So on Stage 3, the output will go to the speaker of an amplification of 20. Alright guys, next we'll be looking at the voltage buffer in Stage 1 and how it works. At the input of Stage 1, once I adjust the two potentiometers at Stage 1, you will see a change in the value of the input signal. So that's one. I'm doing the second one. And you should see a change. Alright, after showing you Stage 1, we'll now show you Stage 2 and how the mixing of the two signals work and how to adjust them. Alright, so now we're going to talk about Stage 2. We're going to turn the knobs of the potentiometers to get the gain ratio. Alright, now if you look at the screen, or as I turn the knob, you will see that the value will change of the gain. What's going on? Oh. Stop it. Alright guys, now that you've seen Stage 1 and 2 and we explained how they work, now we'll show you Stage 3 of the two signals mixed together in the output. Alright, here's the first song playing, Childish Gambino. And here is the second song playing. Alright, we turned off the first one, and it's just the second one playing now. Alright guys, there you have it. You've seen Stage 1, 2, and 3 of my final project for analog electronic devices. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Have a blessed day.